I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to make your Venmo friends list private on your Apple iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Open the Venmo app on your iPhone or iPad and then tap Me in the menu on the home screen. Step 2. Tap the settings icon at the top of this screen. The settings menu opens. Step 3. Navigate to the Preferences section and then tap Privacy. Associated options are displayed. Step 4. Navigate to the More section and then tap Friends List. The next screen lets you adjust the privacy settings for your Venmo friends list. Step 5. Tap to place a checkmark next to Private. Your Venmo friends list won't be visible to other people going forward. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.